Excited? Oh, Jesus. You are loco.
Get out.
Where are we going, baby?
That's Israel.
We're not going to Disney World. You excited? Ready for this heat?
Yeah.
Let's see. Y'all some hats and fans.
Hats and fans and
Oh, they got one over here too.
You won't be able to see.
What you looking for?
ducks.
I like your hat.
30 my tooth.
Are you done with that? Oh. Oh, that one's cool. That one's a baby.
He has one eye.
He has one eye.
Mommy, the white spotted bamboo shark just came out. Look, right there. He came out. He's kissing him. Look, they're kissing.
Hey girls, so we are headed out. We have a big surprise for the boys. They don't know what it is. They've guessed and they cannot get it. So let's go surprise them and let's see what it is. We'll probably head out to a cookout after. My uncle's having a seafood boil, so typical Sunday. So let's go. Okay, last try. What do y'all think the surprise is?
I think it's a motorcycle.
Motorcycle?
Yeah.
Elias?
A joint answer, I'm still thinking.
Jillian?
The volcano park.
Volcano Bay?
Yeah.
Okay.
I think it's
Busch Gardens?
Yeah. I was about to say that, but I can't. It's something from YouTube.
YouTube. Okay. I think Elias is closer than anybody.
I think it is.
Nobody has got it right.
It's I think it's a motorcycle.
Alrighty, well let's go and see, alright?
Be right back.
We are here. The boys are in the car. I just have to do a few things and then we'll see what the surprise is. Go to the desk. I'll show you in a second. Okay, put it in that slot. What is it, baby? Wow. Wednesday, the middle of the week. I've gotten a lot done this week, so I'm feeling very productive. So yeah, this is our little treat. We're gonna have hot dogs. We're probably gonna be here all day. I got my drinky drink, and yeah, we got some fruit, some hot dogs, some smoothies. So yeah. All right, so we got the hot dogs cooking. I really don't know what I'm doing, but I know how to cook me some hot dogs. I cooked some hamburgers the other day, so I'm getting the hang of this. So yeah, we're gonna let those grill. The boys are playing ping pong for a second. Whee! We're gonna start walking home. We decided to walk and not drive, and we're definitely regretting that now. But we'll get home, and yeah, we're gonna get these boys all cleaned up, put some PJs on, and then start some dinner.